Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a calendar table in Power BI. Now, in your Power BI desktop, you can add a new blank data source. Come here under Home, click on Get Data, and then click here on a blank query, okay? Now you can go ahead and right-click the query and give it a proper name. So click on a Rename, and let's name this Calendar, okay? So I'll press Enter. We have renamed that. Now come here and click on Advanced Editor, okay? And I want you to paste the following code in. I'll actually give you the code in the description, okay? So this is the code I want you to do. And if you want the current date, okay, or actually to go over the current date, you can change this from 0 to 365. So plus 365, you'll see the next year worth of dates. I'll just leave this at 0. Remember, I'll leave a link for this in the description. I'll paste it for you. Come here, click on Done. There we go. And this creates the date column. As you can see, going from all the way at 2019, if I scroll all the way down, it'll come up to my current date that I have right now. So as you can see, I can keep scrolling down and you now have a proper date table that works perfectly fine, for all time intelligence functions. But depending on your report requirements, you might want to add some additional columns. So let's go ahead and do that, since every date is linked to, a specific day, week, month, quarter, year. All these elements, you can easily add them. So I'll click on this column, click on Add a Column. Okay, there you go. And then I want you to come here, click on Date. And for example, let's do year first. So we'll do year, click on year. Okay, so this will add the year column. And you can repeat this same process and add, for example, month. So we'll come here again, click on this first column, come over to Add Column, click on Date, we'll choose Month. Okay, so this will give you the number. If you want the name of the month, you can come here, choose Date, and choose the name of the month. Okay, and you can repeat the same process depending on your requirements. And it's really that easy and simple.